Hello, this is Stefan. Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to use Mural, which is an application that is simply a blackboard, an online blackboard, and we'll be using it for the mobility collage workshop. So I will be sending you a link at the beginning of the workshop where you will access, and then you'll bump into a small window that is asking your name. You fill your name in, and then you land on this page on something similar to this, where you see the full board that we will be using. Okay. To use Mural, you simply need a computer, much preferably. Please avoid using any tablet or phone because this is less easy, less practical. The best is to have a computer with a mouse and a wheel on the mouse, if it's possible, because the wheel allows you to zoom in and out. To move on the board, you simply click and you can move. Okay. You see at the bottom here on the right a small map of the board where you can move. Okay. Below there is a navigation settings button where you have the trackpad mode and the mouse mode. So you have to check being on the mouse mode. This is important. Otherwise, your mouse will not work well because the functionalities are different, obviously. And on top of this small map, you have a plus and minus that allows you to zoom in and out as well in case you would not have a wheel on your mouse, which is okay. All right. So as you can see, I made it by mistake, but you can select an element and move it. Okay. So any element that, unless it's locked like this one, you can take it, change it, make it bigger, smaller, move it around, even change its color, even change the font on it, and so on and so forth. You have many functions that you will basically not need during this workshop. Okay. One function that is useful as well is going back with the small arrow on the top left. So this I can eliminate everything I've done. It's practical sometimes when we do something by mistake. So you will need to be able to select an element. You will need to be able as well to write. Okay, so here I already put my name, but basically you take the post-it, you double click, and then you can write as any other application, any other program, Word or whatever. Another function that is important is being able to put arrows on the board. Okay, so this you can go on the left panel where you can add text. If you want to add here post-it, then I click on a post-it and then I can put it, move it the same way I said before. And just below you have shapes and connectors where you can select an arrow and click it next to the object. Okay, my suggestion is that you connect it to the object. Okay, using this, and then make it go where you need. Okay. Something that is practical is this function enable connector points here. If you activate it, you can take any object and you have these 4 points, 4 dots that appear, and you can put an arrow directly from there. You can change by default this type of arrow appeared, but you can change the type here as well. Last function that will be useful is when you'll have cards, like this one I put as an example. You have some extra information that you can find on the captions. And to make the caption appear, when you select the card, you have the menu that appears, like on any object, and you have this small paragraph that appears, and it allows you to make it appear and disappear. I think that's pretty much what you will need for the workshop. So I'm looking forward to seeing you, and I'm available for any question you might have. Thank you. Bye.